The DCI Network Series amplifiers incorporate BlueLink, making them capable of receiving audio from any other device transmitting BlueLink. These amplifiers can not only receive BlueLink audio, they can also send out audio to the BlueLink bus without any extra hardware. This is most commonly used when wanting to use the analog inputs of a DCI network amp as a source for other areas of the audio system. For example, an analog line-level music source connected to an amplifier in location A can now be passed to an amplifier in location B over BlueLink. The analog inputs on a DCI can essentially be used as a line-level break-in box. However, the amplifier is not designed to provide phantom power or accept mic-level signals. BlueLink outputs must be configured with HiQNet Audio Architect software. To configure the BlueLink outputs, double-click on the virtual representation of the amp to open its default device panel. Next, double-click on any one of the input icons to open the source routing window. Now click on Output Configuration to open the BlueLink Output Configuration window. All DCI network amplifiers, regardless of channel count and output power, are capable of transmitting up to 8 BlueLink signals. Those 8 output signals are shown under the audio source column, numbered 1 through 8. This is not the BlueLink channel they will be assigned to, that will come at a later step. Clicking on the drop-down list for each BlueLink output will show what the amplifier can route to BlueLink: silence, or no audio, analog inputs, and amp outputs. Since this is a 4-channel DCI, there are analog inputs 1 through 4 and amp outputs 1 through 4. If this were an 8-channel amp, all 8 channels would be available. The analog input option refers to the same audio that the amplifier is receiving at the analog inputs on the rear of the amplifier. The amp output signals include any processing added to the signal chain for that output channel, such as crossover, delay, and EQ. In this case, analog inputs 1 and 2 will be selected, simply converting the analog inputs to BlueLink channels. Next, click on the audio routing button to open the BlueLink output assignment window. The 8 available BlueLink outputs are listed on the left, and the 256 available BlueLink channels in the BlueLink bus are shown to the table on the right. Click and drag the BlueLink outputs from the left to the desired BlueLink channel slots on the right, in this case BlueLink channels 11 and 12. Click OK when finished. Now, the 2 analog inputs connected to the back of the amplifier are also routed to BlueLink channels 11 and 12 and can be used with any other BlueLink enabled device in the audio system, such as another DCI amplifier or BSS processor. Make sure you save your design file. If you are not already online with the amplifier, press the Go Online button and make sure to send the settings to the device. Thank you for watching this video. For questions, comments, or suggestions regarding this or any other video, please send them to the email address shown below. For technical assistance, please call the technical support department or email them at the options shown below.